Hi everyone, welcome back to Lexi's World. Today I'm gonna make quinoa salad. I'm gonna use quinoa. I already cooked my quinoa, all right, and let it cool down because I wanted it to be cool for this video, all right. So I cooked the quinoa already. I'm gonna use black bean. I'm gonna use corn and avocado, and I'm gonna make my salad, all right. So it's a healthy meal I'm making, so it could use for lunch, it could use for dinner, and because it's gonna have the avocado and stuff like that, it's gonna help it to be a little bit more heavy. All right, it's considered a healthy meal. So we're gonna get started now, and before we get started, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, like my videos and stuff like that. All right, let's get started. Okay, so this is my bowl I'm gonna use. As I said, I already cooked my quinoa. I'm gonna use a cup and maybe a little bit more. Let's say a cup and a half of quinoa. All right. So my quinoa is nice and loose and everything. So there is the cup and a half. Right. I'm gonna use a half of a cucumber. I washed it already and everything, so make sure to wash. Add my cucumbers. So I have one red pepper. I washed it already. So I'm gonna cut my red peppers really small, okay? So I have my orange pepper. Of course, I washed it and everything already, all right? So what I did, I drained the corn. I did 1 tin of corn, all right? And I drained it already. So I'll add it to my container. And then I use a can of black bean. Of course, I washed it and drained it already and leave it here. So there. I'm gonna add my red peppers, and then I'm gonna add my orange and red peppers in here. My cucumbers, everything is here, right? I use a little bit of parsley. It's washed already. I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut the parsley really small again. Add my parsley. So it's all here. I'll put that aside for a second. I'm gonna make the dressing. I'll put it all in here and then I'll add it in after. So in this container, I have olive oil extra virgin. I'll put 2 tablespoons. Okay. I'm gonna use lime. I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of lime juice. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna use a half of an orange. So I use 2 tablespoons of orange juice. I have honey. I use a tablespoon of honey. A bit of black pepper. And I'll add a bit of salt. So everything is here. I'm just gonna mix it and then I already have my dressing. I'm gonna pour the dressing. Add a bit of salt. Okay, so I added the avocados at the top because I find like the avocados sometimes go a little bit dark, and then I just squeeze a little bit of the lime juice on the avocado. Okay, and that's my salad. So that's my salad. Salad. So I put the avocado at the top and I put a little bit of the lime juice, like I squeeze a bit of lime. In that way it keeps the avocado from going dark. I didn't put the avocado in the salad because sometimes it goes a bit dark and I don't like it when it's dark, okay? And then, but it's up to you. If you want to put it in, that's fine. And of course you put salt to taste, and it's quinoa salad with corn, black beans, and I made my dressing with a bit of honey. I used olive oil and lime, a little bit of salt and pepper, and this is considered a healthy meal. I'm not gonna have it with any meat or anything like that. So try my video, tell me how it is, and please do not forget, like, subscribe, share, and thank you all for watching my video. Enjoy.